C'est l'anniversaire de Maëva, donc nous prévoyons de faire un rainbow cake. Je vous embête pas plus et je vous laisse regarder la recette. Enjoy!
For this recipe, you need several things. Firstly, we have to prepare the batter for the sponge cakes, and for that you'll need 400 grams, that is 14.1 ounce of plain flour, 400 grams, that is 14.1 ounce of castor sugar, 6 eggs, 6 different types of edible food coloring to make a rainbow, 200 grams, that is 7 ounces of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder plus 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, vanilla extract, 20 centiliters, that is 6.6 fluid ounces of double cream, 10 centiliters, that is 3.3 fluid ounces of milk. Secondly, we need 1 tub of mascarpone and 250 grams, that is 8.8 ounces of melted white chocolate for the ganache. Thirdly, to cover the sponge cakes, we have to white the cream, so we need 25 centiliters, that is 8.3 fluid ounces of double cream, and 100 grams, that is 3.5 ounces of icing sugar. So now let's move on the method with Mary and Elsa. Like Mary, you have to put the eggs and the castor sugar in a bowl. Mix until you get a foaming mixture. Then you can add the melted butter, vanilla extract, bicarbonate of soda, and don't forget the baking powder and the plain flour. By the way, let me give you some advice. You should choose the best flour. You can to not have lumps. Then mix to get a smooth batter. It's really important to have a smooth batter because later we'll color it, and if we have lumps in the batter, the color will not be good and it will even taste bad. Then you can add the double cream, and the milk. We had a smooth batter. We divide it in 6 little sponge cakes. Normally a sponge cake should weigh 250 grams, that is 8.8 ounces, so use a scale to help you. If you succeeded in doing 6 sponge cakes of the same weight, your rainbow cake will be prettier because you will not have, for instance, the purple sponge cake thicker than the yellow sponge cake. Then, in every sponge cake, put a few drops of edible food coloring and mix it in order to have a rainbow cake. You can do like us, for example, you can do a yellow sponge cake, a purple sponge cake, and others blue, green. Anyway, you can put what you want as color. Just follow your tastes. Pour the first genoise in a tin that you will have buttered beforehand if you haven't a grease-proof paper. You can use a square tin or round tin as you want. Then you can bake the first cake in the oven for 10 minutes. The sponge cakes are baking. Melt a white chocolate bar and let it cool down. Then add the mascarpone and mix it. Prepare the white cream. In a bowl, tip the double cream. Once your sponge cakes are baked, stick them on top of each other with the ganache. Repeat this section on 6 times. Cover the rainbow cake with that batter and put it in the fridge. There's nothing left to do but to decorate if you want your rainbow cake and to enjoy it. So now let's move on the method with Mary and Elsa.
C'était trop de la merde. C'est une blague. C'est con ça.
Ne me fais
En gros, s'il y a un poussin.
Tu sais que ça nous est déjà arrivé. Je te jure, au moins.